In this video, we're going to learn how to use the Bootstrap Tooltip plugin to create tooltips. So we're going to create a couple of examples, one with a link and another one with a button. Okay, so let's create a div inside our container. And let's place a paragraph inside a div. And let's write some text. This is a link. So we're going to create a link. Okay, let's give it some attributes. Let's start with an href, and let's set that to the Google homepage. Also, let's give it a title, Google. So this is what's going to show in the tooltip. Okay, and now to use the tooltip plugin, we are going to add a data toggle that will set to tooltip. Okay. Okay. Now let's write some JavaScript code where we're going to use the tooltip method. So we're going to access our elements. So we can access the elements using its data toggle attribute. So let's access all the elements which have a data toggle equal to tooltip. Okay, and now we're going to use the tooltip method. Okay. So now if we refresh the page and we hover on the link, we're supposed to see the tooltip, but by default the tooltip shows at the top of the element. Since our element is at the top of the page, we can't see anything. But let's add another paragraph just before the element. And now if you hover on the link, you can see the tooltip at the top. Okay, we can change we can place the tooltip on the right of the element if you want to, by using the data placement attribute, and we can set that to right, for example. Let's refresh, and now it appears on the right. You can set that to left or bottom as you want. Okay, so now let's create a button. Okay, let's give it a type of button, and also let's style it using the button class and button primary. Okay, and also let's give it a data toggle. Set that to tooltip. And also let's give it a title, button tooltip, for example. So now you can see, let's save and refresh the page. So you can see the tooltip there. Okay, we can place the tooltip at the bottom using the data placement attribute. Okay. All right. So now let's explore a little bit some of the methods and events of tooltips. So first, let's make all the tooltips show or appear when the page loads. So you're gonna access all the elements that have got data toggle equal tooltip, and then we're gonna use the tooltip method, but this time we're gonna use it with a parameter which is show. So now if you load the page, you'll see that all the tooltips, they will appear. Okay. All right. Also, let's send an alert message when a certain tooltip is hidden. So again, you're going to access all the elements with the data toggle equal to tooltip, and then we'll use the method on. So we'll need an event and a function. So the event is going to be hidden.ps.tooltip, and the function it doesn't have any parameter, so we're just sending an alert message. For example, tooltip hidden, for example. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so you can see that the alert message shows when that tooltip is hidden, and also we can see the alert messages again. Okay.